Very cool to have found this product. It's made in the USA, and it's a micro rope spool, but on a very clever spool here. So the packaging lets you know that it's made in the USA by Atwood rope. We'll pull it out of the packaging here. And this has a lot of different features, starting off with a storage compartment here, where it looks like I need to put a smaller bic in there. But it looks like you have a room here to put some stuff into that compartment. Definitely big enough for a mini bic. There's a lid for that, and it looks like there's a little ring there. You could put a piece of cable on there to retain it maybe to the side here. There's a cutter on this side, and then you've got this 125 feet of micro cord, which is a really decent cord. It's a nylon, and as you can see, it's a woven, really nice, strong cord, easy to use for lots of different purposes. You can reload the spool if you use it all. It looks like it's a 100-pound test, and you've got a place here to hang it on a carabiner, all made in the USA. And you know, the saying is, what's better to take with you, a knife or cord? And in this case, you've got the cutter and the cord in one unit.